If you've ever used ChatGPT and thought, okay, this is cool, but it's not really helping me make money, I need you to listen closely because the problem is not ChatGPT. The problem is that you're using it like a search engine. You're asking random questions, you're getting random answers, and then you're wondering why nothing changes in your business. Hi, I'm Aikanisha, the AI business queen, and I teach business owners how to use AI strategically, not for entertainment, not for cute captions, but for income. And today I'm going to be walking you through 4 ways I use ChatGPT that actually produces results, meaning better content, better offers, better clarity, and more money. And I'm not just telling you what I do, I'm going to show you how I do it. We're going to do some mini demos, plug and play prompts, all this type of stuff. And I'm going to give you a challenge that I want you to try today. So, welcome to All Gems, No Crumbs. I'm Aikanisha, the AI business queen, and I help entrepreneurs turn strategy into systems, systems into sales, and effort into revenue. Inside this podcast, I'm breaking down the frameworks, automations, and decision-making strategies I actually use to grow my business, sell consistently, and build leverage without hustling or overcomplicating anything. If you're ready to build with intention and execute at a higher level, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Now, before I give you the 4 ways, I need you to understand this. Most people are using ChatGPT like it's a worker. Okay. They're saying, do this for me, write this for me, give me ideas. But no matter how much you may think, ChatGPT is not your employee. Okay. It is a thinking tool. Excuse me. And if you don't know how to think, it cannot save you. And that's why people keep getting generic, basic content, weak marketing, and results that don't move. So the goal is not to use ChatGPT more. Okay, no, that's not it. The goal is for you to use ChatGPT in a way that forces your business to become clearer, sharper, and easier to sell. So I'm going to give you the 4 ways. Number one, I use ChatGPT as a business strategist, not a content machine. Most people open ChatGPT up, and they say, write me an Instagram post about offer so and so. I do not start there, okay? Because content is not the first problem. The first problem is usually the first problem is usually that the offer isn't clear, the message isn't sharp, or the buyer journey is messy. It's something like that. So I will use ChatGPT as a strategist. So what does that mean? Okay, so I will make ChatGPT diagnose a problem before we create the content. So, okay, this is what I mean. Example. This is one that I have actually pulled before. I'm sorry, not pulled. Jesus, I cannot talk today. This is one that I pulled from a previous chat from a long time ago that I want to give you all as an example. So the prompt that I said was, act like a business strategist. Ask me 10 questions to diagnose why my content on Instagram isn't converting into sales. After I answer, summarize the real issue in 1 sentence, then give me a plan. That prompt right there will change your business if you actually answer honestly. Okay, and that is what I did. And so I came up with a whole new game plan of how to, when I decided to come back on Instagram. And I had a whole new plan of what I'm going to do. Now, granted, I have not been consistent because it's been a lot of things, but I'm trying to get back on that consistent bandwagon of Instagram. Okay, so yeah, but okay, most people are trying to fix sales problems with posting. And I can't say anything because I used to do that back and during my boutique days years ago. And I'm going to tell you why they stay broken busy when they do that. What ChatGPT should be doing for you is helping you clarify what you sell, helping you identify what's confusing your audience, helping you see what your offer is missing, helping you tighten your messaging so people understand you faster. Because when your message is clear, selling then becomes easier. So, a lot of people are teaching ChatGPT like it's Canva. I teach it like it's a consultant. Okay. All right. So number 2, I make ChatGPT interview me before it creates anything. And again, this is where most people mess up. They skip the clarity, they skip context, they skip decision making, and they jump straight into write me this, make this carousel, create this sale page, and then they get mad when it sounds like everybody else. So here's what Ikanisha does instead. I will tell ChatGPT to interview me first. So I say this in like two or three different ways. It just depends on my mood and what I feel like typing. So, for example, I will say, before you create so and so, like whether it's an email or whatever, interview me. Ask me questions about my audience, my offer, the desired result, the objections, and the tone. Do not generate content until I confirm and answer, rather. Sorry. Then other times I will tell it on my own what I want. So let's say I want an email about uh, this new whatever, some new class I may be offering or something. And I would describe the class, talk about what it is, who it's for, and then I will tell it, ask me clarifying questions before generating the email or before generating the description or whatever, because then it will ask me what it knows it needs to know before generating whatever content I'm asking it to create. And this forces the output to sound like me and not like the internet. Because if you don't give ChatGPT your brain, it will give you average. So let's say you want to create a post that sells something you offer that's a little bit cheaper, like a low ticket item. So most people would say, write a post to sell, my product, but that's lazy. A strategic person would say, ask me questions to identify the strongest angle to sell this offer, this product today. Give me 3 hooks, 3 post structures, and 3 CTA styles. Boom. Now you're not just going to get content as a response. You're going to be given options, and options are power, because sales is not about posting more. Sales is about getting or saying the right thing at the right time in the right way. Okay. So number 3, I use ChatGPT to teach me how to think, not just what to do. And this one right here is why I'm able to move fast, because I don't use ChatGPT like just give me the answer. I use it like teach me the skill. So if you only use ChatGPT to do things for you, you're going to stay dependent on it, and you're going to be on it for a whole lot amount of time, all the time, throughout the entire week, throughout the entire month. But if you use it to teach you how to think, you will level up permanently. So like example, I told it this. So I'm not sure if you all are aware, but apparently things have changed with Facebook ads. And like I've never been like a guru or super smart when it came to ads, only because if you know my story, you would know how I was banned and how a whole bunch of stuff happened with my ads account, and it was a mess. So I just never really got into it because I was never really able to do so. I've run a few on Instagram before, but I wasn't able to run them the way you're supposed to run them, which is from the business, the admin part, the meta ads part, whatever you call it, when you're in Facebook and you go to you have to be on desktop and you go to that. I was never really able to do it because of all the stuff that happened. So, um, I decided after I saw all this stuff about, people were talking about how Facebook ads has changed and how there's something new called Andromeda and people are giving like all these trainings and stuff. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to see what ChatGPT does. So I said to it, teach me Facebook ads and Andromeda like I am your student. Start with the concept, then logic so I can easily understand, then the steps. Afterwards, quiz me with 5 questions to make sure I understand. So that's how I have begun learning meta ads and Andromeda. And soon I also used it to create a game plan on me getting really into ads so I can scale the way that I want to scale my business online. And that is how I'm learning meta ads. And that is how you can learn email marketing. That is how you can learn buyer psychology. That's how you can learn strategy. I'm not saying don't learn from other people who have been there, but this is a quicker way for you to understand something, and then at least you'll know the basics, because I'm still most likely going to take a meta ads course from someone. I've already found someone who I really trust and I want to take her ads course, but now at least I know some of the terms and things that she would be speaking about, because I had no clue what Andromeda meant and all this other stuff that's going on. So now I know the basics of it. So when I take her course, I will then be even better. You know what I'm saying? So it's not enough to know what button to click. You have to know what you're doing. You need to know why you're doing it and what result it's supposed to produce. And if you're skipping the learning part, you're going to keep getting played by every new trend because you don't have an understanding. You just have information. And information doesn't really make you money. Execution with understanding is what makes you money. I need to put that on a pen for Pinterest. Okay. And I also need to let me put that somewhere else because that was good. I don't even remember what I said. I'm going to have to go back and rewind and listen to this because that was great. Okay. What number are we on? Number 4. I use ChatGPT to create money making decisions faster. And this is where it all comes together because really most business owners aren't failing because they don't have ideas. There's a shit ton of ideas out there. They're failing because they don't make decisions. They overthink, been there. They delay, been there. They second guess, there all the time. And they keep changing directions. So I will use ChatGPT to get to my decisions faster. So I will tell it something like, I'm stuck between these 3 options. Like maybe I'm stuck between like a subject line or something like that. I will tell it, I'm stuck between these 3 options. Ask me questions to clarify my real goal, my capacity, and what will produce revenue fastest. Then tell me which one to choose and why. Okay? I'm going to say it again. I will tell it I'm stuck between A, B, C, D. Ask me questions to clarify my real goal, my capacity, and what will produce revenue fastest. Then tell me which one to choose and why. That prompt right there, I'm telling you, it will save you from wasting a bunch of time because the longer you stay undecided, the longer you will stay unpaid. Okay? I'm going to say it again. The longer you stay undecided, the longer you will stay unpaid. Let me give y'all another one. There was one that I did not too long ago. It was like, based on my offers, tell me the fastest path to cash in the next 7 days. Give me a simple plan with 3 actions per day. And that's not content. I didn't ask you to create content. That's a revenue plan. And that is how you use AI like a CEO. Okay? So here's your challenge that I want you all to do today. This is how you'll know you're using ChatGPT like a strategist and not a toy. Okay? So I want you to open ChatGPT and type this. Act like my business strategist. My goal is to make money in the next 7 days. Ask me 7 questions to figure out the fastest way for me to do this based on what I sell. After I answer, give me a 7-day plan. Keep it simple, focused, and realistic. Boom. I want you to answer the questions. Do not lie. Do not perform. Don't give cute answers. No one gives a F what you type in this, okay? No one's watching. No one cares. Do not lie. Do not perform. Do not try to be cute. ChatGPT does not give a F. I promise you. You need to be honest. Because if you tell the truth, you will get a plan that works. Don't be embarrassed of yourself. Okay? All right. So once you all do this challenge and you get this, please let me know. You can take a screenshot of it, tag me on Instagram, or at least let me know because I really want to know if you got results from this and if you got value from this. And here's what I want you to understand again. ChatGPT is not magic, okay? But it becomes powerful when you stop using it for random tasks and you start using it for strategic thinking. And once you learn how to do that, you don't just create better content, you get a better business because clarity creates confidence and confidence creates action. And then you know what action creates? Cash. And that is what we are here for. I mean, like for real. So that's what I want you all to do. So again, if you got value from this, please comment whether you're watching this on YouTube or listening on YouTube, Spotify, iHeartRadio. Comment, send me a message on Instagram, DM me on Instagram rather, email me, find me on Instagram and follow me, whatever. Okay. I am here for you. All right. So I will see you all. Well, I don't see you all because I'm not recording. Sorry. I just got off a live. All right. See y'all. Bye.